Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at you tonight. Just wanted to kind of have a little, somewhat of an announcement, and I'm sure y'all have already, back in this day, y'all have already heard, already kind of noticed, my last couple of recipes have been doing some low carb stuff. I wanted to figure out a way to lose some weight, but not necessarily have to do something that I couldn't barely maintain, because I love barbecue and cooking on the grill, chicken, stuff like that, so, and even some pork, my steaks and everything like that. So I started doing some research and talking to some people and a couple family members that have lived the, I won't call it dieting lifestyle, but I'd say a healthier style lifestyle or something so they could maintain, okay? And so we started just playing around with it. This is not, I'm not telling y'all I'm doing any kind of serious, this diet or that diet or anything, but what I want to do is gear some of my cooking toward some low carb stuff for right now. Anyway, that's my main first thing to start watching. So I don't know if y'all have noticed that, but I can still make some really good stuff. And I'm not afraid to put some rubs on some things, some barbecue sauce. Not that serious. I'm just not doing it every day. But here, what I wanted to tell you about tonight also is I talked to her and talked to some other people, and I said, what do I need? Kind of a starter kit to start cooking like this and be able to branch out and cook some cool stuff. Like I want to be able to make a roux somehow, some sort of a roux. I want to be able to make some stuff that's kind of sweet, maybe some teriyaki sauce or something like that. These are things I've been looking into. But what do I need? What are the building blocks, the essentials that I need? And so, first off, the other day, I got, I don't have it here on the table, but remember I got the liquid aminos. I've been using those here lately in my pork rinds. Those have helped me be able to keep the kind of food that I like to eat and still impart some flavor in it. Here's some other things I got. And from what I've heard, you got to be really careful when you get these type of ingredients. You don't want the GMOs, you don't want stuff that's made with chemicals. A bunch of different weird stuff. So I scoured the internet, talked to people and everything else. In the site that I trust, that I'm going to get my stuff from like this, and you may have your own site or whatever you want. I'll put a link to this particular one. It's Anthony's Goods. Apparently they review very, very well. Their stuff is all non-GMO and not if it's healthy as healthy can be for any of this kind of stuff for you. First, what I'm going to start out with, and show you what I got here, is apparently this is going to be a big part of my stuff. Is some I'm going to zoom in a little bit, I guess. Okay, some of their almond flour, and this is their Anthony's Culinary. Finest grade blanched almond flour, gluten-free, I believe that's what it says, all that good stuff. It says batch tested, verified, gluten-free, storage, refrigeration not required, keep in a cool, dry place. I'm not gonna go over all the specs with nutrition facts and stuff. This is just something you need apparently to start out. You need a flour, for making stuff like that. So and maybe helping making some different batters and things like that. So I got this. This is how I ran across the company. Anyway, I was looking for the best almond flour that you can get because I couldn't find any in my local grocer. Of course, I'm down here in South Mississippi or mid-Mississippi. It's kind of hard to find this sort of stuff. Here's another thing. You need something to be able to sweeten stuff with. And gosh, there's all this controversy about different artificial sweeteners and stuff like that. From my research and from talking to friends and stuff like that, this ethanol, I believe is how it's pronounced, natural sweetener, no GMO, nothing like that. It's what I got from them. It is supposed to be apparently the best stuff out right now, I guess. And like I said, I'm no expert. This is just what I chose. Okay, and this stuff is, everybody said to make sure it was gluten-free, no GMO, and no alternatives, and it's a natural sweetener. 70% of the sweet is table sugar. It doesn't cause spikes in blood sugar. You can do your own research. I'm not like any kind of expert at all. I'm just going to show you what I picked, okay? So that's my sweetener. And then this other thing I just kind of got because I thought it was neat, heavy cream powder. You lose some heavy, I use heavy cream and stuff like that. The problem is I don't use a whole lot of heavy cream. It's the reason I got this. And this is cool that it's batch tested, gluten-free product at USA, but you know, I can make up as much heavy cream as I need and then store this. I'm sure it's stored for a long, long time. What says till 6/2000. Okay, so I can keep this for a few months at least. It says best by 6 of 2019. That's longer than regular cream can sit, and it's not very expensive. But like I said, I'm no expert. I'm gonna show you all the path that I'm taking here. And if you have any suggestions, please throw them out there. If you've heard of Anthony's Goods, let me know. Like I said, I'm gonna put a link in the description box to that website. But that's just some stuff I'm getting started on. I want y'all to help me join me on my journey of I know we'll still be coming up with some delicious stuff. I wouldn't cook this stuff if it was nasty. If it was, I wouldn't do a video on it. So let's just experiment something together. Thank y'all very much. Please like my channel. Sub my channel, like my videos. God bless y'all. And yeah, let's rock and roll.